So, I'm going to present another history about Ecuadorian culture. This is the Wailing Wall of Isabella Island. The Isabella Island was regarded as the perfect place to send criminals to serve their prison terms. The prisoners were abandoned with no food and doomed to serve time until they died. The criminals had to carry great stones from around the islands, polish them, and build a wall. Most of people died very sick, hundreds of died over many years while they built the Wailing Wall. From the sea or the coast of Galapagos you can hear the noise of the prisoners lamenting about the horrible situation. It was a short history about Galapagos culture and the Wall of Tears.